Hey everyone, I'm Angie, and today I'm going to be touching you. Oh my god. Okay.
A breadboard is...
Hey everyone, Oh, that was such an awkward wave. I saw that in my periphery.
This is what's happening on the inside of the breadboard when you plug a wire. What the...
Ooh, I don't know.
I like it. Well, you see your armpit stains.
Oh no. What should I do? I'm sorry, I was hiccuping. I'm sorry. I was anticipating it.
It allows you to build your circuit, take it apart, experiment, try new things, and eventually figure out what you're trying to do.
In short, resistors are probably the most important part of your circuit because we use them to control and limit the Yeah,
I thought something would come to me.
This is so awkward. So how do I know which resistor is rich? That's hard. You okay? Hold on, this was like completely over here, so I don't know how long that was going on for, but something called ohms. It's spelled O-H-M-S, and it has a symbol that looks like this. That is way... Ow!
It's like a turkey. Sorry. Just like Legos. That's the bread.
One more time.
Just like Legos. Just like Legos. Just like Legos.
Let's say I'm rummaging. No leftover. Why can't I say leftover? No left. This is probably one of the most useful skills you can have in electronics. I can't get that last part. It's like in electronics, I can't. Okay, so brown, black. Did I just say brown?
No.
So I'm gonna write that on this tape. And now I have that forever. And that looks like absolute dog shit. Wait, the eyes weren't showing. Okay.
Hey everyone, I'm Angie, and today we're going to be using all of our newfound skills to redesign a circuit inside a flashlight to make it better.
You got it.
Am I like doing weird shit with my hands?
No.
I don't like what my hand did there. I don't know, I feel like I'm doing weird shit with my hands.
No, it's fine.
Without burning it out. Do you mean like burning it out? Like...
A little bit like...
Okay.
Just a little bit more.
Sure. Wait, where's the pie? Where's my plate? Thanks. And now you've got a taste for... Sorry. Eat it! Eat it! Eat it! Eat it! Eat it!
Until next time, I'm Nick. Thanks for watching.
Not smiling.
I'm smiling.
It
It's my RBF.
is your RBF.